Education is in need of innovation, and I have the recipe. Innovation equals equal parts realization, cooperation, differentiation, and application. The realization that education is not what it used to be is fundamental in order for change to be made. In order for education to improve, school boards, administrators, teachers, and parents need to understand that students learn differently than they might have learned or not learned in the past. No longer do students depend on their outdated textbooks and nonfiction books to learn new things. Nor should a teacher stand in the front of the room to lecture and assign bookwork and dittos. Technology is here and developing fast, and if educators are not realizing this, then they are just doing a disservice to their students. Acceptance and realization is needed in order to take an innovative step forward. During my student teaching, my cooperative teacher taught me a valuable lesson. She said you need to beg, borrow, and steal. What she meant was, why invent the wheel over and over if you don't have to? No longer do teachers have to rely solely on other educators for ideas and advice and answers to their questions. With the use of technology and a few keystrokes, teachers can find the answers to all of their questions in the time it would take to walk across the hallway. Teachers use blogging sites and communication boards to share ideas and ask new questions. Since not all learners learn the same way, it's appropriate as an educator to meet the different learning styles of your students. Web 2.0 tools allow you to reach so many of your students' learning styles. Different presentation models such as video, PowerPoint, blogs, and concept maps cover a wide range of learners and provide you with a creative approach for presenting and reviewing new material. It is important that you understand your students to meet their learning needs. I go to plenty of teacher workshops each year, and at each workshop the presenter gives us a new strategy or more materials to use in the classroom. At first I feel motivated to implement these things right away. Then I realize I have so much on my plate already, and one more thing would put me on overload. The hardest part is wondering what to eliminate in order to add something new. Sometimes I think it would be easier to get rid of everything and just start over new, adding only what I want to try. However, I'd probably need a whole year of prep time to do that. So for now, I look for things that simplify my life and motivate my students. The important thing is that I realize change in education is essential, and I try to change small things at a time. I apply what I learn in this class and other workshops, and in doing that I improve my classroom environment and presentation techniques. So to all of you educators, I challenge you to put down the textbooks and pick up a mouse and make a change in education. Technology is thriving, and it is never going to go away. Take small steps in the right direction. Make the choice for a better education for our students.